Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You want the fastest charge, so start with the right hardware and reduce demand. Plug the certified wall adapter into a live outlet and attach a high-quality cable. This matters for power delivery. Remove the case to prevent heat buildup and put the phone on a hard surface. Once done, enable airplane mode or power the phone off and close background apps and radios. Less load means faster battery transfer and lower thermal throttling. Now optimize the delivery method and system settings. Use a charger that supports your phone's protocol, USB PD, or the maker's fast charge, because negotiation sets current and voltage. Using the right adapter unlocks higher wattage. Disable sync, location, and animations, and turn on low power mode to cut background draw. Make sure the room is cool, since heat forces the phone to slow charging. For fastest fill, use a wall adapter rather than wireless, or a laptop USB port. Finish by letting the phone charge uninterrupted until about 90% for fastest effective fills. Frequent small top-ups are better than deep full cycles. Monitor temperature. If it overheats, unplug and let it cool before resuming. If charging is unusually slow or stops, check the cable and adapter for frays, clear lint from the port, and try another certified charger. As a troubleshooting tip, reboot into safe mode to rule out apps, and if problems persist, have the battery or port inspected or replaced.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.